Coming up in this video, I've got a very simple but very tasty cocktail using Whitley Neill's Quince Gin, and this is definitely one that you are going to want to try at home. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I'm Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits, your favourite drinks even more. We are going gin this time. We're going Whitley Neill's Quince Gin. Before we dive into it, big shout out as always to my Patreons. We've got Ben, we've got Mark, we've got Christopher, we've got Lucy. Thank you so much for your support. More about Patreon at the end of this video. Right. Let's crack on. We're going, because it's gin, we're going to get some nice glasses out this time. So we're going to go for our lovely sort of crystal glass there. I'm going to make it in a shaker. We're going to shake this one. Let's dive straight in. 50ml of your Quince Gin. Here we go. 50ml gin. Oh, it's lovely. Love this gin, so nice, even as a gin and tonic, really like that. Next ingredient is some pressed apple juice. Again, supermarket owned is absolutely fine, but get pressed. Pressed is so much better than from concentrate. 50ml of pressed apple juice. Lovely, jubbly. Next ingredient we want is some lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm just going to get 15ml, 15. And then the final ingredient for now, before we shake it, is some elderflower syrup, elderflower cordial. I love this one from sort of ODK, Also Drinks. Love it. Links in the show notes where you can get this from Drink Stuff. 10ml. 10ml elderflower going in there. Absolutely lovely. Right, just pop that to one side. Just want to ice that up now and ice the glass up as well. There we go, plenty of ice in there. Glass is all iced up. Pop your tin on, give it a whack. Hard, fast shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. Get that properly chilled down. Right, that is nice and cold. One final ingredient now. I'm just going to use some Sprite lemon lime soda. I just want 50ml. Now I pour it into the shaker to save stirring that at the end because it will float on top. So 50ml of Sprite going in there. Now, as I didn't mention the cocktail name at the top, what I've been trying to get you guys to do in this series of videos is come up with your own name, stick it in the comments below, and we'll pick the winner for my sort of cocktail book, because I'm useless at naming cocktails. Anyway, strain that in. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at that. So quince, apple, elderflower, bit of Sprite, absolutely delicious. Garnish, again, no right or wrong, whatever you fancy. I've just sliced up a bit of apple there. You could go mint sprig. I haven't been out to the garden today actually. Go mint sprig. I have actually got a blackberry as well. Bit of contrast, frozen blackberry. There we have it. So, taste. That is summer. Oh, that is summer in a glass. That is banging. Lovely, jubbly. So yeah, come up with a name, stick it in the comments below, and we'll see what comes up. We'll pick the best one. But that's it. Quince Gin, apple, lemon, bit of elderflower, bit of soda, lemon lime Sprite in there. Absolutely amazing. So if you like this cocktail, if you like this video, give me thumbs up, give me a like below. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to get notified every time I set a new video live. And if you want access to my exclusive content, my free cocktail book updates, my free weekly serve suggestions, and loads of other video content as well, exclusive video content, helping sort of education and teaching, all that sort of stuff, check out my Patreon, links in the show notes. See you soon. Cheers.